G'day. In this blog we showcase why rafting and camping is the ultimate team building experience. Team building that actually works does not always come from the top, or the organisation that it ultimately benefits. The leadership that Stuart shows through organising these out-of-hours work experiences provide an opportunity for the team to make and share their own unique stories. And that is an excellent foundation for cohesive teamwork. Because of people like Stuart, companies like JK Thomson are awarded SME Employer of the Year. So watch on and make sure to click the link to the blog in the video description below to read the real-life story of truly effective team building. Okay, so we've got Stu here and Tam from, where are you guys from? Edinburgh?
Edinburgh.
And it's on a work do from
JK Thomson.
JK Thomson,
JK
Premier
Thomson.
Seafood family, come get your fillets.
How did you find it, guys? Because you've been rafting before in a few different locations.
Excellent.
What an experience, great.
You been, Tam?
I've no, it's actually my first time.
Your first time?
That is checked off the bucket list.
Off the bucket list?
Yep.
I've been a few times, but this has been the best one we've done.
Awesome.
Yep, tremendous.
And how did you guys go? Did you enjoy?
Yeah,